Hey, what's up, fellow humans? It's Heather Havoc, and I decided to record randomly how I do my makeup. So stay tuned for a little ditty that's kind of bizarre, but enjoy. What's up, guys? It's Heather Havoc. This is a test run. We're gonna do some makeup. So I've started already because I didn't think about doing this until just now, but that's fine. So I use this first. That's matte porcelain. Matte plus porcelain? I don't know. It's $102. I got it at Walmart, probably for no more than $7 because I don't like spending a lot of money, especially on makeup. So, and then what I did was I went in with my contour kit, which I've had for obviously a dog's age. It's my Anastasia light contour palette, light to medium, and it's got some mileage on it. I'll even show you a little bit of mileage on there, pretty decent. I've been using the same makeup for about 4 years. You're only supposed to use it for a year. I'm just saying. I went to cosmetology school, so that's like a fact. So you should just start with your makeup. Anyway, so now I like to do a lot of darker colors, and then I like to put lighter ones on top. So I'm gonna start with finding my brush. Here it is. Okay, finding my brush. That was the first task. Okay, so we're gonna go with first the brown, which is like this light ass brown. And I go all on my crease here. I'm a natural kind of person. I don't really like putting on a metric shit ton of makeup. So keep it kind of naturalish, because everybody has naturally exhausted looking eyes. So that's what we're trying to achieve here, guys. If you look tired, you're there. So now we go in with red because, what can I say, I'm a Gerard Way fan and old habits die hard, so I use this nice maroon red as opposed to, like, you know, that crackhead red, which my hair isn't crackhead red, it's more like like orangey, but crackhead red, no, this is mauve-ish maroon. What is it? I don't know. Doesn't say. Doesn't matter. Got it in my cosmetology kit. This is what we use, guys. Beauty on a budget, as Chris Crocker once said many years ago. I live by that. And would it cost me an education? Anyway, how's your quarantine going, guys? I've been doing the same thing, with the exception of no dogs. So I work at a doggy daycare without the quarantine in play. But, you know, dogs. You know how Christoph sang the song Reindeer Are Better Than People? Yeah, good point, except he was a little off with his dogs, but you know what? It's a Disney movie, they gotta go with the obscure, you know, forest creature, obviously, as opposed to a dog. The dogs are better than people. It's just, you know, people would get offended by that. The reindeer, you know, nobody owns a reindeer. I'm not gonna laugh at it anymore. Anyway, so now I put the red. I'm really gonna confuse you. So now I'm gonna put on some holographic violet. Okay? And don't question me. This is how I do my makeup. So now I put this holographic violet on top to achieve, I don't know what, but I'm doing it. Okay. Hope y'all like it, because it's on my eye now. I think it looks cute, so that's all that matters. I'm a little woodland fairy. And y'all are just hating ass bitches anyway. It's okay. If you say bitches in prison, you're done for. Just so you know. I've been watching 60 Days In. Tell you right now. Don't say it. Also, don't get arrested right now. There's no court proceedings. Stay at home. You know? Do your makeup. Put purple over red and brown, and have orange hair because you feel like putting it on, and you feel like putting your makeup on at whatever time it is at night and uploading a video onto Facebook. Because that's what you do. In crime. I don't know where this is going, but my makeup's going somewhere. Look at this. See this? This is called a blending brush. I don't really clean my brushes because I'm an animal. So, what we do is we take a nice little paper towel and you just kind of rough it up. And it's better. But you just go in there and you just kind of blend it. Even though you're really just blending a bunch of fucking nonsense because you really don't know it. And look at that! We're almost there. Now, what we need to do is we need to make this look a little more dramatic because we are dramatic in this, I think. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into some black. Pop it. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, then don't be alarmed. Go on this side and bam, bam, bam. Put your little lips up to the cold water. Bam, a fucking bullet. Pull your brains out, right? Like that. And then you blend again. And look. You're a witch. Or a wizard, Harry. And there. You have it. Your dumb bitch goth look. Because you don't know what you got. And it's okay looking. It's getting there. It's not there yet. See, the more layers you add, the better makeup comes out. That's the shitty part about it. So the more you put on, oh! The more you put on, the better it comes out. But then the faker you look. So it's like you can't really win. Try doing natural, like come out looking like a fucking. Oh no! Look what we did. Casualty. But you come out looking like a fucking clown. It's alright. You're in quarantine. No one's gonna see that. Listen, guys. I don't claim to be a professional. I didn't go to cosmetology school or anything. Listen, they don't teach makeup in cosmetology school. As much as you think they do, they really don't. They don't touch on it, not a drop. So, if you want to do makeup, go to fucking makeup school. Don't go to cosmetology school. That's my bit of advice to you. Alright, so ye be warned. Don't go to cosmetology school. Unless you want to just play with mannequin hair all day and, like, deal with miserable people in a salon. Because that's, like, literally miserable. I'm not kidding. Miserable. How are we looking? Like a princess. I think. I don't know. Doesn't look bad to me. Now, do we do the eyeliner first or do we do... Oh no, we're running out of time. 7 minutes? Alright, we could do it in 7 minutes. Alright guys, here we go. Part 2. Alright, I gotta do an eyeliner. I gotta find it, so... Pause. Thought I was recording. I did one eye already, sort of. It's halfway done. Part 2. You didn't get my mustache right? Alright, well, I zoomed in on my mustache because you could see it anyway. But yeah, so I was saying how I don't have crayon liner because I ran out. I usually like to put on my waterline, but it's not essential, so I haven't gone to the store. I've been making do and using Kawaii and Fire Luke. Yeah, so now we're gonna do the other one. Well, you should be able to see that one done. That was one try, guys. Just saying, I wish it wasn't recorded because I did it so well. First fucking try. Watch the second one's gonna come out like poopy. Let's see. This one you can see really well too. By the way, I'm using Kat Von D's tattoo liner, Trooper Black. I ain't no bitch, I didn't switch over to inked. Original, tried and true. I like my Kat Von D eyeliner. That's the only thing I'll splurge on, and usually I ask for it for Christmas or any holiday, so that way I just have it all stocked up, kinda. I don't like spending a lot of money, as you can tell, because this shit's like 22 bucks. I want to know what I can get with 22 bucks. I can get a lot of things. I can go to the thrift shop. I can get 2 full outfits for 22 bucks. At the thrift shop. It's a thrift shop. Yes, I absolutely can. I can get 2 full fucking outfits. Did I get a dress for like $7? So yeah, support your local thrift shops, because why not? Who cares if someone wore it before? Don't use your friend's makeup though. That's a true thing, don't do it. Yeah, and if you do makeup on other people, make sure you're using disposable stuff. Those are only just samples. Okay, this looks like absolute trash from like close up, but like far away, looks really good. So, here, I'll demonstrate. See? Because it makes your eyes look super big, so that's like the illusion. And yeah, so now I'm gonna do my lipstick, which I don't do all the time, but when I'm feeling sassy, I do it. So I'm feeling sassy. So first I put on some protection. Y'all should learn. Use some protection. Here, start with the lip balm. First step. Second step. Make sure you get the access on. So we're not wasteful here. Now they're all moistureful. So now what do I do? Lock in the moisture with lipstick. Okay, this is Walmart Black Amore Matte Milani. I'm sorry, Walmart is not a brand. So Milani Matte Satin. Okay. Now this part may turn out terrible. That's okay. This is a learning experience for everyone here. Me too. Okay, here we go. Wishy. Some clown on the street? Maybe she's born with it. You know, that natural looks really coming through here, guys. Don't you see it? This is natural. This is just how I do my makeup, alright? Don't judge me. And just wait. I'm gonna be ordering a set of airbrush makeup because I have an airbrush machine because I'm also certified in that, and I think I'm gonna start painting myself pink or purple. I haven't decided yet, but I think it's gonna be fun. You know what sounds fun, guys? Yeah. Because, I'm not beneath it. I won't start an OnlyFans page though, okay? Only makeup. Fashion. Art. Okay? For now.